My name is Amber Naqvi and I'm doing Montessori diploma 1-year program, and I have selected 5 areas, and the topic of my 5 presentation is, the first one is decolonial bead material from maths area, and second one is sensorial development area, and the topic is touch fabric, and the third one is from science experiments, simple machines, and the fourth one is ideal studies, that is evolution of history, and is from language, that is Chardino. Compartment is tagged with the color code. As you can see, it is tagged here, and every color code represent with the number 1 with color code red. You can see here the beads also.
This is a handmade material.
Yes. Green color code 2, and the color code of number 3 is pink, and the color code of number 4 is yellow. So it's all, you can see the light blue, the purple, white, brown, and the dark blue and golden. Today the purpose of this exercise is to give the concrete concept of multiplication, memorization of table to children, and it will be very colorful activity for the kids to memorize tables in this way. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear children, today we learn with the colorful and rainbow color material, and with the help of it we learn multiplication. As you know, multiplication is very boring, but after working with this material, you will enjoy multiplication onwards. So this is the material box, and we'll work with it. First of all, I'll make a short bead stair, and then I'll reconnect it with the multiplication bead box. This is number 1 with the color code red. This is 2. You can say after me. This is 3. Okay. Yes. What color? Next comes yellow, number 4. This is number 5. 6 with color purple. You see, I also wear the purple color.
Yes.
Yeah, good. 7 with white color. 8 with brown and dark blue. 9 color, it represents 9 color, and this golden bar represents color 10. So what do we do with it? As you have already learned, this short bead stair we do sums from 1 to 10, as we have done in snake game and negative snake game. So now we will do multiplication with this box. That's why a lot of bars in it, and each compartment contains 55 bars each. And today we will work with the table of 3. And which color code table 3 has? Pink. Yes. I'll place it back because I need it. Okay. And it will keep on till 10. After it, I have products. In the same way, I bring it on the cards. 3 1 times, 3 2 times, 6 3 3 times, 9 3 4 times, 12, and in the same way it will be here. Yes. These are the note cards I have used for it. This is the second page, and after it I'll bring them to the worksheets. This one, the first one worksheet, I'll give them with 3 sums, and I border it with the red color because it will be easy for them to read. Times how many? Count after me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we'll pick from number 9 compartment, dark blue bar, and we'll check it. This one, the first one worksheet, I'll give them with 3 sums, and I border it with and the aim of this exercise is to refine simple machines. Actually, the purpose of this activity is that simple machines make our work easier, and so we give the concept in this way. First, for 3 to 6 years, we give them a bit oral, जिनकी आदि शक्लें नहीं होती, और वो किस तरह से आपस में जुड़ते हैं, और वो किस तरह से लफ्ज़ों में जोड़ के हर्फ लफ्ज़ों से जोड़ के लफ्ज़ बनाते हैं. तो दाल, रे, वाव, अलीफ, जे, हे, कोई भी नहीं मिला आपस में. और आफ्टर सॉरी मैं अंग्रेजी बोल हाँ, हरूफे तहजी आदि अशकाल सीखने के बाद हरूफे तहजी में कुछ अशकाल ऐसी होती हैं कि जिनकी ये है शरारती नौ. एक जंगल में रहता था और उस बंदरों के ख़ानदान में 9 अफराद थे, बल्कि 9 बंदर थे. उन बंदरों के नाम थे, जैसे हमारे नाम होते हैं इसी तरह हमने बंदरों के नाम रखे. उन बंदरों के नाम थे अलीफ, दाल, डाल, जाल, रे, जे, वाव. अब हम देखेंगे कि इन्होंने उधम कैसे मचाया और शरारतें कैसे की. हरूफे तहज्जी में भी इसी तरह शरारती हरूफ कुछ से मिलते हैं और कुछ से नहीं मिलते, और ये अपने आप से भी नहीं मिलते. तो ये देखें, शरारती हरूफ आपस में भी नहीं मिलते, ये आपस में मिलकर भी शरारतें करते हैं. जैसा कि दर, दाल और रे दोनों शरारती हैं और ये आपस में नहीं मिले. दरवाज़ा, दाल, रे, वाव, अलीफ, जे, हे, कोई भी नहीं मिला आपस में. ना अपने से बाद में आने वालों से मिलते हैं, लेकिन अपने से पहले आने वालों से बड़े अच्छे तरीके से हाथ मिलाते हैं. अब जी ये देखें, अपने से बाद सीन, रस, ये नहीं मिल रहे आपस में. रे, अलीफ, ते, रा, ये भी नहीं मिल रहे आपस में. तो फिर कहाँ मिल रहे हैं? चलें जी ढूंढते हैं. ये अपने से पहले आने वाले हरूफ से हाथ मिलाते हैं. जैसा कि सर, रे से पहले आया सीन, सीन और रे जोड़ के सर बन गया. इसी तरह लड़, लाम रे से जुड़ा, क्योंकि लाम पहले आ गया था तो उसने खुशी खुशी उससे बगलगीर हो गया, तो लड़. तो इस तरह ये सारे मिलके काम करते हैं और हमें भी सताते हैं और बच्चों को भी. आपसे खेल ये स्नेल, दिस इज द मोस्ट फेवरेट वन. शीप,
नाइस.
और एक ये मैंने अम्ब्रेला बनाई.
This is the art box. Its purpose is how you can create different interesting items with the help of hanging flowers. अब तो आपको नंबर देना है. वो तो दीजिए, वो आपको
जस्ट लाइक वी सिट आउटसाइड, हम जब बाहर बैठते हैं तो ये बेंच और ये इस तरह से बनाया. एंड मशरूम विद टॉयलेट पेपर रोल 3D. ये स्नेल बनाया है, इस बेचारे को मैं संभाल के एक्चुअली नीचे लॉग थी तो आई गिव मैम सरका के उससे मैंने ना
थी. इस शुक्र है इस दफ़ा हमारा
दिस इज अ model of evolution of money. As history is difficult for kids to remember the yesterday and tomorrow, so we give the concept in this way. First, for 3 to 6 years, we give them a bit oral representation, or we give them orally. As we tell about the geography, we talk about the culture, we talk about science, we add history in it indirectly. So I have selected from history the evolution of money. From the first one is barter system, the barter system helped. Then a long time ago, people use, when people don't have money, so they used to exchange things, and then they switch. When they feel difficulty in it, they are increasing their with the help of with their thinking, they are improving their things again and again, and the second step, they start exchanging with the jewelry and gold bars and different special metals. And at the third, then comes the metal. Then they invented metals that it will be easy to carry and exchange with goods, that they give coins and they get their things which they need. And next, paper money comes, and then paper money invented, and in paper money, it was more easier to carry, it was more easy to handle it. But after it comes this plastic money, and plastic money it's very easy, it's safe, we just carry cards and we go for shopping, as nowadays we do shopping and we swipe the card and we get our things and money paid by the plastic.
Is letter Om. Letter Om is the symbol of Hinduism. And the last one is church. Christians pray to the church, and their holy book is Bible. Their holy book is Bible. And the symbol of Christianity is letter cross. The symbol of Christianity is cross. So students, we should respect all the religions. I hope. Picture box. Zip. And the next is what?
I've got it.
Yes. And box 6 is secret boxes. Yes. And the box 7 is booklet. That.
Nice booklets.
And the 8th box is word list. Pink Fanatic word list. And the box 7 is 9 phrasal strips.
Phrasal strips with pictures.
With pictures. And box 10 is sentence strip with pictures.
Right.
And the box 11 is pink love story.
Can you tell me the difference between phrase and sentence?
Phrase. I have 10 counters, 10 number cards. I show the child one number, like 2. The child will write here in the sensory bag number 2. Write here number 8. Like I'm showing number 2, and child write here number 2. Yes. And the next number is 4. Child will write here number 4. Like this.
Good. Very nice.
The child number 2. Child will write here number 2. Like I'm showing number 7. Child number 7. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I'm Ganwa. Today I am going to learn some new, very heavy dresses, heavy warm dresses, like jacket, Cap.
I'm student of Montessori 1-year diploma. Today my topic of presentation is exploration of mini bees that are present around a child. Exploration of mini bees is to develop sticks.
It's a kind of puzzle activity.
Yes. Fair. And here is dice. Okay, students, I will put these dice and check what is the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 4 balls. And next is, this is also 4. They are important for our environment. But at this time, my topic is, my presentation is only to give the information on rectangle, triangle.
This is also very interesting. जैसे ना भी शो को वो चलाएगा.
और busy भी रहेगा.
Easy. Very nice.
Nice activity, ma'am. Involving.
Very nice, ma'am. Very nice, engaging.
2, 3. And trees, very important of my life. Plant give us food, oxygen.
Mental, third inner core, outer core, and fourth one is inner core. If I talk about Australia, its color is brown. So I put brown color. Number 1. In this book, I will present 1 to 10 counting. This is for writing practice. This is 1. 1.
From where you students are writing? Yes. From where students are writing?
No, just for practice, recognition. Like sandpaper number 5. I changed this concept.
Sensorial purpose.
Yes. Sandpaper number को मैंने modify किया. This is 1 and 1 bead is here. This is 1. This is the number 2. This is the number 2. 1, 2. This is the number 3. Cross notice kids in the children. Like it is made up of wood. I put many things on it. Like this is magic gesture. Its purpose is to make them busy. This is gesture. These are buckles. These are shoe tying laces. This is also a toy which make them like busy, and they can count on this 1, 2, 3, 4. I give the idea of pegging on it. Like these pegs are there. 1 peg, and this is xylophone, and this is and these, I put all the things. Like I put button on it, door latches on it.
And trees, very important of my life. Plant give us food, oxygen, land and water form. This area choose culture. Basically land and water forms is 8 exercises. This is land, this is water. Basically purpose of a child, all the hour of land and water. Water is a different land of a water. This is lake. A body of a water surrounded mostly by land. A body of a water mostly by land. Peninsula. This is peninsula. A land of a piece of a land is mostly 3 times multiples water. Island. This is land, multiple, surrounded by water. This is river. River is a 2 mountains. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. Where is 1?
What do we call this?
2, 1, 2, 1. This purpose is eye coordination and fine motor skills.
ठीक है बुशरा चलिए आप
Spoon.
Sensorial tessellation. Tessellation is defined tessellation first of all to cover an area without overlapping and without leaving gaps. To cover
किधर है बाकी
this one I have chosen from culture series. Round in shape. Our earth is made up of land. This is land and this is water.
Land is representing which color?
Green. And water represented with color blue. This is land and this is water.
How
And
much area of our is covered with water?
water 70% and 30% land.
बर्ड्स उड़ गए
Birds only.
बर्ड्स वही कह रहे हैं बर्ड्स उड़ गए
From science experiments, vertebrates and its classes. First class is mammal, second is amphibian or birds, fish, and 5 classes.
Right. What are vertebrates?
Vertebrates are those which have feed their children on their own milk, and amphibians they live both on water and land.
Yes.
Reptile crawling, mammary crawling बंद करते हैं. In fish lives in water.
And birds.
Birds.
Here and there.